First Horizon Bank is a financial institution serving customers across several states in the U.S., offering personal banking, small business solutions, and wealth management services. In this video, we'll give you a detailed, straightforward review of their terms and conditions to help you understand their services better. First, let's talk about the advantages. First Horizon offers an array of services including checking and savings accounts, loans, and investment options. Their low minimum deposit requirements make them accessible for many individuals and small businesses. Additionally, they provide online and mobile banking tools with features like bill pay and mobile check deposit, making day-to-day banking more convenient. Now, for the disadvantages. Some customers report high maintenance fees if certain account conditions aren't met, such as maintaining a minimum balance. Additionally, while their services are robust, their branch network is limited, which might be inconvenient for those who prefer in-person banking. Service overview. Checking accounts. Options include standard and interest-bearing accounts. Monthly fees can range from $0 to $15 unless waived by meeting balance requirements. Savings accounts. A basic account starts with a deposit as low as $25. Interest rates vary and are competitive compared to industry standards. Loans. They provide personal, auto, and home loans. Interest rates depend on creditworthiness and loan type, but promotional rates can be appealing. Wealth management. For higher net worth individuals, the bank offers financial planning, investment strategies, and retirement services. One unique feature is their First Horizon mobile app, which supports money transfers, real-time notifications, and budgeting tools. However, be cautious about transaction fees for out-of-network ATMs or international usage. Lastly, costs can add up if you're not careful about meeting account thresholds. Checking account overdrafts incur fees of up to $35 per transaction, so consider setting up alerts to avoid these charges. If you're looking for a reliable bank with a focus on digital solutions but can manage potential fees, First Horizon might be a good fit for you. To get the full picture, stay tuned as we dive into the fine print. Backhand index pointing right. Subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay informed on all things banking. Your financial future starts with the right knowledge.